Pardon? She beat 10 final applicants for the job.
Then I suggest you ring one of them and make their day. I don't want Lorraine working here. I want you to sack her.
Oh.
All roads lead to Spa.
Hey, Dad, these new Milky Ways are mega light. Look, they even float in milk.
Don't talk alien. Everything floats in space.
Not when you switch the gravity on. See?
Must be that new light-whipped white center.
Yeah, it's cosmic. Dad, what's the time? Huh?
So light, it won't ruin your appetite.
Nivea has just created the advanced Nivea Visage Liposome range. We could tell you all about liposomes and their ingredients, but would you be interested? We could even show you what they look like, but would you really care? We're sure that what you'd really rather see is the result. Naturally beautiful skin. So for naturally beautiful face care, today and tomorrow, Nivea Visage.
Now for the good of your dog, improved recipe Pedigree Chum. Specially balanced to be completely in tune with your dog's system, it's more digestible, more enjoyable than ever. Top breeders agree.
I recommend the improved recipe Pedigree Chum for all dogs, even for dogs that found it too rich.
He's put on body and coat and condition, and he's a happier dog.
For fitness you can see in a dog. Improved recipe Pedigree Chum.
There's a secret blend of 13 herbs in a Radox herbal bath. So relax and let off a little steam.
At Plantland and Cargate Garden Centres, there's something for everyone. Relax with one of our luxurious resin patio sets, 90cm table and 4 chairs, only $24.99. Slice through the undergrowth or gracefully trim the lawn with this Black & Decker 12-inch trim and edge trimmer, only $29.99. All this and more at Plantland Leeds and Cargate Garden Centres, Wakefield.
This is the Mike's Carpets fabulous Axminster selection. They're here, on the roll and ready for fitting now.
Mike's Carpets.
There's up to 33% off with the Summer Spectacular on windows, doors and conservatories now at EYG. Free phone 0800 181 888 for quotation and free video.
You don't see a battle, you hear it. Brought to life from the pages of history. Sharp, Wednesday at 8 on ITV.
What am I going to do? I told Julie the winemaking was going really well. The you caught her.
Houghton.
Houghton?
Is there an echo in here?
That's fantastic.
Yeah, well, steady on. It's only an interview.
Does that mean you're going to stay?
Yeah. I'm going to stay here, if you want me to.
Introducing Rotaflex, the multi-purpose drill attachment. Rotaflex has a flexible shaft that absorbs vibration. It operates smoothly on doors, walls, or any flat work. For curved surfaces, just tighten this nut, and you have perfect control on rounded corners. You get hours of use from a single Rotaflex disc. They're so strong they can sand down a steel nail. And look, the discs attach with Velcro. Easy on, easy off. Yet they won't come loose until you remove them. To clean, just use a piece of plastic. It's almost like magic, but wait. Rotaflex comes with this amazing drill clamp that turns your drill into a complete workshop. Rotate it any way you want to give you a powerful grinder and more. Rotoflex is the most useful tool you'll ever own. And if you order now, you'll also receive this power polishing pad. Its genuine lamb's wool won't scratch any surface. Just look at that shine. Get ready to order the complete Rotoflex workshop. It's a sander, it's a sharpener, it's a grinder, it's a polisher, it's an entire system. Order your complete Rotoflex kit by phoning 0272 244 772 now. Please allow up to 21 days for delivery. This special offer comes with a full money-back guarantee. Phone 0272 244 772 to order your amazing Rotoflex kit now.
Phone now, 0898 26 26 26.
Wrap it up on the fun line.
New from Birdseye, Country Club Cuisine present delicious golden vegetable nuggets. A combination of sweet Birdseye peas, tender carrots and succulent corn in a crispy golden sesame coating. A change they really enjoy. Country Club Cuisine from Birdseye. Vegetables you can make a meal of.
Now, Comedian Hammer finds himself in trouble yet again, but plans to redeem himself by disarming a bomb live on TV.
The following program is not an accurate depiction of law enforcement. We also assure our viewers that you are in no actual danger